Hi everyone, hi. Good evening, good morning, who is where, and I wish you a good trading week, guys. These are my videos where I discuss the situation and market, what I see for currencies, and I give you an idea what can be helpful to you while you trade currencies. So I hope that I hope that the sound is on and we are ready to discuss what's interesting here in the news list and what's interesting technically. You can check my previous video with advices for market and you can see that, there are some good ideas that keep working for us and we use them from last week, but I also will discuss some new currencies. Well, in this video, you will know about Euro, Great Britain pound. You will get an idea about Australian dollar and Japanese yen, also Canadian dollar, which I don't really like, but still we discuss it. And also, my congratulations to those who used my range for gold because we got some good entry points to buy gold. And of course, we discuss what will be next with the gold. If you are ready, and we can talk about those trading ideas. So I find my document trends for Forex, and let's go. What is interesting? I would like to pay your attention to this list of news, and this is the news list for the whole week. What I think is the most important. We should trade from Tuesday to Thursday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, because the news for Monday and Friday time is not the best time to trade. Please make a screenshot of this. List, and I come back to your video. So yeah, and let's discuss now, on Sunday, maybe from on Asian time, from Sunday to Monday we can trade New Zealand dollar, because we will get an information about the trade balance for New Zealand. After that, on Monday at 6:45 GMT, we get GDP final GDP for fourth quarter from France, and that's all that I see. It will be interesting for tomorrow and today night. That is why my idea that I will check out New Zealand dollar and Euro dollar for the first half of the day for tomorrow. But in the rest, I think I should take a rest and don't trade, because the market will be getting ready for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. You can see that on Tuesday we get news from Eurozone. Those will be economic sentiment and free money supply. On Wednesday, here are some news from United States of America: the GDP deflator, the pending home sales, and for Japanese yen will be retail sales for February. So a bunch of news for traders that will be important. And on Thursday we get a scoop of news from United Kingdom, also from United States of America. Those will be the jobless claims, and then Canada gives us some GDP information. After that, USA comes back with Chicago PMI, and of course, Japanese and news about Tokyo CPI, household spending, and unemployment. What is my idea? We have a technical situation of market, and we have some news triggers. So the period when the volatility will be the highest. So we take the technical situation and we implement the time when those news are going to be published. So we are getting ready to this time. For example, on Wednesday, 12:35 GMT, we are about to trade all currency pairs, and we need to be ready technically to this time. So we will get a good push for market and a good trade. So when you enter market, you will get results really fast. And usually market gives us an opportunity and technical idea what is okay to trade right now. So I hope that you understand my idea. You don't need to sit all day long near the computer and to wait for market to give you a good time. Usually traders, those are who are not professional, who have to share their personal time with trading. They don't know when need to be in your computer. So here is the list of news when you need to be in your computer and to have some good trades. And on Friday, it's a Good Friday, so the market will be really boring, and I think we should stop trading on Thursday after American session. So let's go to technical picture. For United States dollar, check out level of support 88.60, 88.70. This is the tendency of March, and I think this tendency will keep going down, and the level of support which I mentioned on this chart, the level of support is really important, and the market will give you a rebound from this support. So check it out, and you can sell dollar to this level of support, and of course try to buy a little bit from this level of support intraday. If we see the breakdown of this tendency line, the bottom one, after that the dollar will go further down and down. But for a future couple of days, I think that it's okay to follow an idea and to check this support. So we sell to this point. Euro dollar, what is interesting? Future for, I mean, like Monday, Tuesday, these future 2 days, we will have an answer from market what is okay to trade, or should we sell, should we buy. My idea that technically euro dollar is going to 1.25, and this is an idea from last week. I hope you bought euro with us and you were in profit, and you're still in profit for this currency pair. I think that we will see the breakdown of the tendency line, and the price will go to 1.25. But if you see the rebound and you see the price going under this tendency line, this one, if you see that price goes under this tendency line, then we sell with a target 1.1290. We follow the market. We don't keep our idea open and follow what we want to see. We follow the market, the huge traders. So if you see the breakdown, so we sell with a target 1.2290. Great Britain pound, this is the weekly chart, and you see that here is Fibonacci instrument that gives us an idea. Currency pair can go to 1.4335, and this is the level of resistance that we saw recently, and this is the target to buy the currency pair. After you see the breakdown of this level of resistance, after the pair will go further, will go to 1.46. That is my trading idea, what I think for a Great Britain pound. And you see that tendency for last year, like from January 27 to 2017, is here is the uptrend. So we keep buying, and we need to find entry points to buy Great Britain pound. For now, here are no ideas to sell, only buy. And I hope also that you bought with us last week this currency pair. Okay. Next is Great Britain pound 1 hour chart. This is the point where we can try to enter market. This is the tendency line on 1 hour chart, and either you see the rebound and you enter market with the long positions, either you see the breakdown of this tendency line and you sell with a target to 1.40. That's what I think is okay to trade this week for Great Britain pound. So follow this tendency line. It will help us to enter market right and on time. So let's go to United States dollar versus Japanese yen. Long-term idea is that pair can go to 93.00 as a retest of this huge tendency line since 1997. But we are intraday traders, and we are interested in short-term trades. So what I think is okay to trade, either you buy from 104.60, 104.70, and intraday on 1 hour chart, either you see the breakdown of this level of support. Open it in 1 hour chart now in your computer. Open it and check out if the price is under 104.70. So we sell with the target 104.20. And of course, make some pictures make some chart painting on your chart here and follow this technical support period, this zone, I would say. And if we see the rebound this week, we will buy with the target 107.60. But if we see the breakdown of this zone, after that we sell. My idea is that currency pair can try to rebound and can give us at least 105.40 and after that 107.60. It will depend actually on comments about the relationship of China and United States of America. Yeah, that's what I think, because there are no news, not a lot of news from Japan coming out this week. So it looks like the most important idea will be about relationship of the United States of America and China, and this will be the signal for traders either to buy safe Japanese yen, either to keep away from it for at least a week. About the Swiss franc, I waited last week to get price near 0.9600, but the price didn't come there and we didn't sell it. This week I still wait for this target to be reached, and if we see the rebound from 0.9455, after that we buy and we keep target 150 pips more to the long position. So if you buy, so we keep long positions. If the price goes under 0.9455, then we sell, and we sell with the target 0.9340. This is a really good technical idea. Now my point of view is that price can go to 0.9600, but we'll see what technically shows us, market shows us. If you see the breakdown of this level of support, so just sell it. Don't wait to follow your idea, follow the market. About United States dollar, the Canadian dollar, you see the breakdown of this tendency line, and now here are two ways. Either we see the retest of 1.2980, 1.2990, and the retest, and after that you see the price to go down. Either we see the price going down with the target 1.24. The second idea, I don't really like it for this week, but it's more likely to be traded for like the period 2-3 weeks. If the market don't push the price upper than 1.31. Before we see, as far as we see a price under 1.31, it's okay to sell it. But if you see the breakdown of this level of resistance, then it will be dangerous to sell, and we'll change our strategy. Let's go next. Australian dollar. As last week, as today, we follow an idea that we sell this currency pair, and the target, you see it here. This is the target where we sell Australian dollar with United States dollar. About entry points, so you should see the breakdown of level of support that is here. It's 0.7680, and after that you sell with those targets. That is an idea for Australian dollar. If you have questions about the currency pairs, you can ask them under this video. It's okay, and I'll see that you ask questions during the week, and I will answer them, of course. Okay, Australian dollar with Japanese yen. Also, I know people who bought already, and they wanna sit and lose buys, even the price going not to their side. Please do not keep open positions if you bought it. It is dangerous now. What I think is the price can go to this tendency line, and before this tendency line, of course, we can see the price going up and down, but it more safely it will be to buy near this tendency line. But it's not the 100% trading idea. It is a possibility that a price can rebound from here. Before that, it is dangerous to buy, and you see that the level of support that we had last week is broken, and price keeps going down. So I don't think it's okay to hold long positions for now. About the gold, also my congratulations to those who bought gold. It was a good deal. and the target now is 1360. From there, I think we can see a rebound and an idea to keep open positions $15 more to the target 1360. That is what I think is okay to trade with the gold. And there are actually, if we see the price consolidation, I think it can stay next week. It can stay in this time zone, in this trading zone, like this. Not good. Hard to see what I mean. Yeah, like here. We can see the price consolidation, and this it will be stuck, so we don't see a good decision either to sell with the target 1100 to 260, either to buy further. I think the price will stuck here, same as Brent. What I think for oil Brent, I think that the price will stuck near the frame 68.70. Yeah, so we're not going to trade it on Monday and Tuesday. I think those we should keep to like Wednesday and Thursday, those instruments. Okay, guys, what I think about the market you know already, and if you have any questions you can ask them under this video. Also, I would like to remind you that I have my Telegram channel in English, and I only start to work on English part, so there is not a lot of information. I only start, so I give you weekly review. If you have questions, you ask me, and I see that you are here with your questions, and it is interesting to you. So I keep giving you more ideas, and I keep giving you more information. If I don't see a lot of people following this channel, so I will keep publishing weekly reviews until I don't see a good support from those who trade, so from traders. Please thumbs up for this video, and of course join my channel. I will really appreciate it, and I wish you a really profitable week. So guys, bye bye, and see you next week. Bye.